In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Freshdesk. If you're rebranding or just refreshing your Help Center's look, updating the logo on your Freshdesk portal is a quick win that keeps your customer-facing pages consistent with your main website. First, sign into your Freshdesk account and head to the admin area. From there, navigate to Channels and then select Portals. This is where all your customer-facing Help Centers live. If you have multiple portals for different products, regions, or brands, you'll see them listed here. Find the portal you want to rebrand and click the edit icon next to it. This opens the portal settings where you can control the look and feel. You'll be working under the branding tab. In some accounts, you might see it labeled as portal rebranding instead. Both take you to the same place for visual updates. Within branding, look for the logo field. Click change logo or simply select the upload box to add your new image. For best results, use a square logo. Freshdesk recommends a 60 by 60 pixel image with a minimum of 50 by 50 pixels and a 1.01 aspect ratio. Keeping it perfectly square helps the logo display without stretching or clipping. If your graphic designer sent you a larger file, that's fine as long as it's a square. Freshdesk will scale it down appropriately. Just avoid long rectangular logos here because they can appear squished or cropped. Right below the logo option, you'll also see a field to add a link back URL. This is optional but highly useful. When customers click your logo on the portal, they'll be redirected to the address you enter, typically your main website or a specific landing page. Paste the full URL, including HTTPS, to ensure the link works as expected. Once your logo is uploaded and, if needed, your link back URL is set, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step finalizes your changes and publishes the new look to your portal. If the update doesn't appear immediately in your browser, give it a moment. Visual changes can take a short time to reflect. That's all there is to it. You navigated to admin, opened channels and portals, edited the portal you want, uploaded a properly sized square logo, set an optional link back URL, and saved your changes. With just a few clicks, your Freshdesk portal now better matches your brand and creates a more cohesive experience for your customers.